Hi, my name is Sarah and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about ProDentim before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ProDentim is, be careful with the website you're going to buy ProDentim from, because ProDentim is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is ProDentim and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, ProDentim works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that helps maintain the health of gums and teeth in perfect condition, as well as providing a safe and completely natural treatment for a variety of dental conditions. Regular use of the ProDentim dental care supplement will provide you with a wide range of benefits. You should take it once a day. It will protect against harmful bacteria, dental infections, and bad breath. This supplement is made at a U.S. facility that has received FDA and GMP approval. How does ProDentim work? ProDentim is a blend formulated by physicians that brings together 5 potent and scientifically proven strains, combining a total of 3.5 billion good bacteria into a revolutionary soluble suite. This sweet probiotic also targets your respiratory system, helping your body stay allergy-free as well as promoting restful sleep and good digestion. The formula works to strengthen teeth and maintain gum health. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with ProDentim and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test ProDentim for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for ProDentim to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, ProDentim has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy ProDentim from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that ProDentim actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.